How to use your hands during a kiss. Tips from an expert. Kissing someone is a big deal. You want it to go perfectly, but you may have no clue what to do with your hands during the kiss. A lot of people wonder about this. Luckily, there are a lot of options. Try holding their hand, touching their face, or putting your arms around them. If you're both interested in taking things to the next level, use your hands to pull them closer, explore their body, or even take off their clothing while kissing. Part 1. Touching your partner. Touch the other person's waist. This is a good option if you've never kissed the other person before and you're feeling unsure about what to do with your hands. Hold hands. Try holding one of their hands and caressing it lightly with your hand. You can also try grabbing both of their hands and interlocking your fingers with theirs during the kiss. Touch their face. This can add some intimacy to the kiss. You can grab their face with both of your hands and gently pull it closer to your face. For example, you can also try gently caressing their cheek, neck, or even their earlobe. Run your hands through their hair. Use one or both hands to run your fingers softly through their hair. Go slowly and be gentle. If they have long hair, you can even twirl a strand around your finger as you're kissing them. Wrap your arms around them. This shows the other person that you're enjoying the kiss. Depending on your height and what you find the most comfortable, you may want to put your arms around their shoulders or their waist. Use your hands to end the kiss. When you're ready to end the kiss, you can remove your hands from their body. Part 2. Taking it to the next level. Take it slow and observe your partner's reactions. Moving quickly from a soft first kiss to something more intimate is jarring for a lot of people, and may even make them uncomfortable. Pull the person closer to you. If you want to take the kiss up a notch, use your hands to gently pull the person closer to you by the waist until your bodies are pressed up against one another, like you're hugging. Control their hands with your own. Show your partner what you like by using your hands to place their hands on your body. Put your hands in their back pockets. If the person you are kissing is wearing jeans, you can slide your hands into their back pockets. Explore their body. If you are in a private setting, feel comfortable enough with this person, and have a mutual desire to do more than just kiss, then you can start using your hands to explore the rest of their body.
To read full article, click the link in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.